This is day one of learning HTML. In this, we will see what is this doc type and what are the different versions of HTML. And if I am not specifying this doc type, what will happen? When I was learning HTML for the first time, I thought that this doc type is an HTML tag, but this is not an HTML tag. This is a declaration. So when I am specifying this in this document, I am telling the browser that, hey browser, this document what you are seeing is following HTML5 standards. I am using HTML5 to create this document. So please follow the rules and specifications provided in HTML5. So I will tell the browser to render by using HTML5. So based on that, browser will render the document accordingly. So let us see what are the different versions of HTML available. So we have HTML1 version, HTML2 version, 3 and 4. We have XHTML version as well. And at last we have HTML5 version. This was released in 2014 and they are upgrading year by year. So this is the latest version of HTML. Now I have another question. I will not specify this doc type. I will remove this doc type from this document. Will the browser render my document accordingly? Yes, the browser will render, but it will use the older version or legacy version of HTML. It can be HTML4 or lesser versions. If it is using the older versions of HTML, you will see a lot of CSS issues. Your layout will not work properly. Your responsiveness will not work properly. There may be JavaScript issues as well. Your document.get element by ID will not work properly, and most of the DOM methods will not work properly. One other important thing is there will not be consistency in your website when you are rendering it in different browsers. So to resolve all these issues, the only way is you need to specify the doc type. If you find this video interesting, comment helpful and I will create more videos like this.